somebody getting dropped off. Wow, and then instantly someone else got it. Terminal 4, Phoenix, and there's Waymo down there. Picking some up, someone dropping off. Trunk open. Awesome. Another Waymo. There's several places that Waymo will pick up. It will not pick up at the rental center, but you just Google it, and you can curbside, and then I think there's the 44th Street terminal of the SkyTrain. I got dropped off in there by a friend, and I saw a bunch of Waymos leaving that line. At one point, 3 in a row were leaving on the road that leads to the 44th SkyTrain terminal. It has to be ground level, and then look carefully at the 4. My pickups could be Terminal 4, Door 8. Oh, and be very careful to make sure that you're on the right level. I was up there, and I had to cancel my ride and get down to ground level. Terminal 4, Door 8, outer curve. That's another little thing, outer curve. Not inner curve, but outer curve. That's somebody else's, not mine. No wonder, that's somebody getting dropped off. Wow, and then instantly someone else got it. And there's somebody else. They couldn't find the button, so I got to help them with the button. Because I know where the button is. Oh, mine's coming in about 1 minute, or 2 minutes. I better watch out. Oh, your light's on. I don't want to waste your energy from your phone.
Oh, my flashlight, thank you. I do that all the time.
That'll suck it right down.
It really will. Thank you.
You're welcome. I think that might be mine right there. And it doesn't, all right, I got a good one. It doesn't want me to linger because it knows it's very congested. So I'm going to have to follow. Although that could be mine right there. I hope that one's mine. That one's a cool one. That's a good one. That's JG. That's going to be SM. So, yeah, SM. Oh, are you SM?
I'm waiting on one. 2 minutes to move down shores.
Yeah, that's my initials. Is that
okay, yeah, okay. Man, I missed that, yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
To begin your ride, press the start ride button in your app. Heading to GBY Auto Sales.
Woohoo! That was a madhouse. Gotta pay attention to those initials. There was a guy who I ran into mine because I saw my initials, SM and SteveMo. But there's a guy who was going for it, and I saw him lurching, and I go, I think that's mine. And I go, are your initials SM? And he looks at his app and he goes, well, I've been waiting for a couple minutes. And then I pointed up to the initials on the hat up there. And he goes, oh, I didn't realize there was initials up there. Might have been his first time riding Waymo. I should have congratulated him and encouraged him. Woohoo! Oh. Well, that's our Sky Harbor Phoenix Airport. It's been named Sky Harbor since like the 30s. That's my experience taking a Waymo from Sky Harbor. My best talking points are to leave, you have to be on the ground transportation. You don't want to be in the level above, which I think is departures. You want to be on the ground. Because I was on departures, I had my Waymo booked, and I go, that doesn't really look like I can get there. And it was like a level below. So I canceled the ride. Fortunately, it says you will not be charged for this. Probably knows that a lot of people make the same mistake on Sky Harbor. And then I re-upped once I got down to the level. There's like 3 or 4 pickups that you must choose from. I chose Terminal 4, Door 8. Up on arrivals, I was Terminal 4. Up at arrivals, I saw Terminal 4, Door 26, and I go, that's nowhere near 8. So that click, 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 click. I believe that's multiple decision points. If I had been on the screen, that green line would have been waving back, where it's trying to make a decision. What's the best lane? What do I do next? I learned that in a JJ Ricks Los Angeles video. JJ Ricks rules. Wish this windscreen was not so dirty. There's the SkyTrain, which is awesome. SkyTrain goes 5 miles. You can ride it all day long for free. It's got great views of everything. Phoenix is a huge airport. Alright, that was quick action. You know what I regret not doing back there at the airport? When my car pulled up with the SM and a man and his wife with their luggage started to go for it, I should have recognized the opportunity and just said, oh, I'm sorry, and opened the door for them. I could help them load their luggage. I could help them get in that Waymo and be on my way. Be them in my Waymo. And eventually, once they figured out this is not going where we're supposed to, they would call rider support, and rider support would take care of business. If they got on my case, I could say, well, I was confused and I genuinely thought that it was his car, so I let him in it. Interesting. That would be a little bit dishonest because I would be doing it on purpose, but
Proceeding on South 24th Street.
it would be interesting. I could say I'm trying to help Waymo out, iron out the bugs. And that couple would have quite a grand adventure.
Proceeding on Sky Harbor
Sky
Circle.
Harbor. That jet's coming straight in on us. Awesome. Right overhead. Alright, I'm having it drop me off near where I think the
You're here. Please
the
make
depot
sure it's
is.
clear before exiting.
Oh, is that still recording? Okay. Bye. Very cool, Waymo.